Hi guys, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Avla Saar. For that I have taken 2 Avla, a small piece of ginger, a small piece of green chili. According to your requirement you can add the green chili. Then a little bit of cumin seeds, coriander leaves, then coconut milk. I am making this in coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk you can add half coconut or half cup coconut and grind everything together and strain it. We make a soul kadhi in Maharashtra with kokum. That's really lovely. So in similar fashion I have made this. Instead of using the coconut I have taken the coconut milk. I have strained this and added water. See here. Some more water I will add. Then add salt and bring to boil. And you can give tadka of cumin seeds and hing powder. If you want you can add garlic also in this while grinding. Heat it. Then I've added little sugar also in this. Now the ghee is hot. I'm adding some cumin seeds, pinch of hing powder, few curry leaves for tempering. Our gooseberry saar is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.